Alaikum, dear students and viewers. Welcome to Voice of Libraries. In today's lecture, we will learn about a very important term in library science as Cardex, operators. This term often appears in library organization, serial control, and record management.
In today's lecture, we will learn about a very important term in library science, Cardex. This term often appears in library organization, serial control, and record management. Let's explore what it is, how it works, and why it's important for libraries. Definition of Cardex. The word Cardex refers to a card index system, a mechanical or semi-automated system used to maintain records of library materials, especially periodicals, journals, and serials. In simple words, a Cardex is a visible record system where library information is stored on cards arranged in trays or drawers used to check the status and holdings of serial publications. Historical background. Before computers and integrated library software were developed, libraries managed information manually. In the 1950s, 1980s, the Cardex system was widely used for recording periodical subscriptions, checking issues received or missing, keeping track of bound volumes. It was an efficient and visible filing system often found in large libraries and information centers. Structure of a Cardex system. A typical Cardex unit consisted of metal or wooden cabinet, transparent trays or pockets, cards, one for each journal or title. Each card contained title of the journal, publisher's name, frequency, weekly, monthly, etc., subscription details, dates of issues received and missing, binding information. So the librarian could quickly check the status of any journal just by looking at the card. Functions of Cardex in library science. 1. Serial control. It helps track the receipt of periodicals and journals. 2. Inventory record. It keeps a visible record of holdings and missing issues. 3. Subscription management. Librarians use it to manage subscription renewals and cancellations. 4. Binding records. It shows which volumes are ready to be bound. 5. Quick access. The visible record format allows for easy and quick reference without opening ledgers. Advantages of Cardex. Easy to update manually. Requires no electricity or software. Visible format, quick overview. Low cost and durable. Can serve as a backup to computerized systems. Disadvantages of Cardex. Manual updating takes time. Not suitable for large collections today. Difficult to share or search remotely. Physical space required for cabinets. Replaced by integrated library systems, ILS, and automation. Modern alternatives. Today, libraries use digital serial control modules in software such as Koha, SLIMS, Libsys, NewGenLib. These perform the same functions as the old Cardex system, but faster, searchable, and integrated with other library operations. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Cardex system played a crucial role in the history of library management. It represents the transition from manual record keeping to digital library automation. Although outdated, understanding Cardex is essential for every library science student because it helps us appreciate how modern library systems evolved. Quote for thought. Every modern system stands on the shoulders of its traditional methods. Cardex was the foundation of today's digital library management.